In this video, I'll show you how to fix Shift key not working in Windows 11. If your Shift key isn't working on Windows 11, the first thing that you'll need to do is to check accessibility settings. So first, go ahead and head over into settings. Click on the Windows Start menu and click on the settings button. On your settings, go ahead and head over into the devices tab. So in here, you'll be able to find all of the devices connected into your device. Make sure that your keyboard is connected into your device. So if you're using a wireless keyboard, you can check that under the Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure that you have enabled typing as well. Ensure that sticky keys, toggle keys, and filter keys are turned off. Now, if that doesn't work, what you can do is to update keyboard drivers. So to do that, go ahead and click on WinX on your keyboard, and this will pop up on your screen. So in here, go ahead and click on that device manager, and this will pop up on your screen. So under the device manager, you'll be able to find the keyboards tab. So click on that to be able to find the current keyboard connected into your laptop. So click on that and click on this update device driver button. Now the last option that you have is to test with another keyboard. If possible, connect a different keyboard to your PC to check if the issue is hardware related. And that's basically how you can fix Shift key not working in Windows 11. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.